It's 100 stop points.
I'm just taking a quick look here. I think Schaffner got lost.
Oh, for sure. I want on 4
What did you guys say?
On September 25th, 2022, at approximately 4:18 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle that left a house known for narcotics activity. The officers asked for a canine to respond to their location to do a drug sniff. The canine hit on the vehicle, which gave the officers PC to search. While searching the vehicle, the officers located narcotics and a large sum of cash, along with a ledger of names which listed the amount of drugs and the people they sold those drugs to. The occupants of the vehicle were placed under arrest for possession of drugs. The money they found was seized.
Hello. How we doing?
Good, how are you?
All right. Where are we headed to?
I'm going to work.
Huh? Where's work?
Sir, my insurance.
Where are you coming from?
Picking him up so he can take me to work.
Picking him up so he can take you to work?
Yeah, you know.
Where'd you pick him up at?
His grandma's.
Huh?
His grandma's.
I can't hear you.
Oh, I was like, his grandma's. I'm pulling up my...
Can you roll that window down so he can talk to you?
Where's my insurance? Legos? You like Legos? Gecko.
Where'd you say you picked him up at?
His grandma's.
Where's that at?
He's gone. Eureka.
You don't know the address?
No. But they're going to a football game while I'm at work. Him and his son.
Okay.
If this works. My screen is broke, so it takes forever.
Okay. Well, what stopped you?
I hit the curb.
Hmm?
I hit the curb.
Well, there's a few things. Your speed and your turn signal, you're going at least 10 over coming up Wheatland.
What's the speed limit?
25.
Oh,
You're
sorry.
easily doing 35.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
and then when you turned right back there, you didn't signal until like right before you turned, basically.
Yeah.
It's got to be not less than 100 feet. You got that insurance up?
Yeah.
Is that on this?
Huh? This is the rental.
Yeah, so is that insurance on this or just you as a driver, you mean?
It's through the insurance company. I don't know if that answers your question.
Oh, okay. Is it rental? Like, I see what you're saying.
Yeah,
like, do you
my
have it
car's
in
in
the
the
while the
shop.
car's in the shop?
Yeah.
I gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm not too concerned about that. I mean, if they've set you up with a rental and all that,
Yeah.
you don't really get a rental without good insurance. So,
Yeah.
but okay.
What's your name, partner? What's your name? My name is Elijah. I can't hear you. Elijah. Elijah what? Dave. Huh? Dave. David? Dave. Davis?
Is there anything in the car or on you guys that shouldn't be? Any firearms, anything like that?
No.
How about you, man? Any firearms in the car?
No, sir.
No. You got ID on you, buddy?
I do.
Dude, can we see that, please?
I'm the passenger for being in my ID. Yeah, you don't have to see that.
Yeah, you have to, unfortunately.
I got a driver's license.
All right. Hang tight and I'll be with you. Hard to see in. It's so tinted.
Where you guys come from?
The primary officer returned to his cruiser and began writing a ticket. He then called for a canine to respond. The other officers remained with the occupants of the vehicle.
Are you sure you're not the one that jumped out of the window? No, I don't have a clue. Somebody jump out of the window? Yeah. Yeah.
I wasn't there when that happened.
They sure did.
Yeah. I didn't think it was going to stop, to be honest with you.
So this
I was
dude
driving and all that, but
jumped out of a second-story window in front of me like 2 months ago. You remember that video?
no, I never seen that one. I don't think. I've just heard about it.
You have.
Have I?
Yeah, you have.
No, I've not seen that video.
Oh,
I've
I'll
just
show
heard
it
it.
Yeah, it was pretty funny.
So did you jump off the second story window after him?
No, I was on the ground like this. I was like, well, they're going to the front door almost there.
Oh, is this TSA thing?
Yeah. She used to work with Jack.
Yeah.
So
All right.
they went in the front door. I had the back door covered. And all of a sudden I hear like, it's like, hey, he's jumping out the window. And I just watched him go,
We had a guy today jump off the third story
yeah,
off the
we
balcony.
heard.
Jeez.
I don't know how the hell he was still running
He
around.
tuck and rolled.
Yeah.
All right, you
I'm gonna
guys
wait.
good?
Yeah,
All
we
right.
appreciate it. Thank
Sure,
you.
no problem.
Hey, that's the way to clean up the board tonight, too. Good job.
Thanks.
That's right. Huh?
I said, you're killing me with the light.
Sorry, partner.
I wake up so it ever happened with that light right in my eye.
Nothing, and the police, the detectives would never call me back.
They didn't,
Hound them.
the insurance company said, yeah, the insurance company did, yeah.
Yeah, but they, it wasn't like, it didn't get stolen or nothing, so they wouldn't do anything.
But it was stolen.
No, it wasn't stolen from me.
Right, but it was a stolen car.
Yeah, so, you know, it's like I just got screwed.
I would call them every day.
The insurance company?
Yeah. Every day.
That even makes me cry.
I told you I recognized you.
When the canine arrived on scene, the occupants of the vehicle were removed so the canine could do the search.
You got a light? Alright, partner. You're gonna do the same thing. Just put your hands on the sit right here. You're gonna come out nice and slow, face away from me, okay? Just come on out. Just come on out. It's very easy. It's very easy. Just face away from me.
Why you, like, they're grabbing me like we're under arrest?
You're not under arrest.
Oh, why y'all grabbing me?
You got any weapons on you?
No.
You careful, pat you down.
You can calm down, bro.
Alright, just put your hands behind your back for me.
Why,
Don't release your fingers.
I'm just saying, why y'all putting me, grabbing me and pulling me out the car?
I didn't pull you out of the car.
Dude, it's 2022, there's body cam.
Huh?
2022, there's body cam. Somebody pulled you out of the car, man.
Very gingerly, I showed you how to do it.
Alright. They called up the police boat.
Over here, boy.
The canine officer informed the officers with the vehicle that the dog hit on the car, allowing them to begin the search of the passenger compartment.
You said it's ours?
Alright. No, not you two. You guys are gonna hang out right here.
I asked them if they wanted to have a seat in there to stay warm.
No.
Did you see this?
Oh, damn.
I mean, I'm telling you, like, large amounts. That's probably a couple thousand right
So
there.
they stopped them coming out of a dope house.
Yeah.
Or they were leaving the area. What's that?
That's their ledger, I bet.
Cash App 206.
And then here's another. So, that was under his seat. 3 grams. Oh, yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
2 gram, 1 gram, 3, 4, 2.
We might have just missed it. I bet we just missed this shit.
They probably just dropped it.
Yep.
Picked up.
She works for TSA.
I know. So she should have an idea.
Son of a bitch.
I mean, with that ledger though, that's all dope related, 100%. That's talking grams, price.
Is there names on it?
Oh, dude, you're taking all this money. Pills. I'd secure them both right now.
Hey, Mads, secure them.
Oh, 100%. Suboxone. Oh, yeah.
Secure them.
Yeah. Yeah, come on. Let's see what it says.
Careful.
That might even be fentanyl.
Yeah. I don't know what's it say.
AN 521.
I don't know what that is.
So I don't know. Yeah.
We got this.
Yeah. What were the numbers on that?
Definitely 49A. I don't know. M2596.
If you need a glove.
Okay. Oh shit. Oh, there goes one. AN 521.
Adam Nora. Adam Nora.
Yeah, Adam Nora 521.
Put this one on top.
It's been
Some rice in there with it.
yeah, dried out. Yeah, look at this, Jerry. I mean, you see all this money.
Suboxone strips.
Yep. That's her writing.
Well, it's a girl's writing.
Wow, yeah.
Does that say Sierra 2 grams?
Still got those pills.
Oh, yeah.
Take a little sample of one.
You want to look at, do you have your phone on you?
They're non-scheduled, based on drug ID.
I can't do the child locks, I'm sorry.
No, you're alright.
That's why we're police, right? Fentanyl?
I guess.
Alright, cool. You're the man. Why don't you just come over here and hang out on the hilltop all goddamn night?
I'm working third shift Wednesdays through Saturdays.
Oh, okay.
So
Well,
11 p.m. to 7 a.m. So yeah, I would say that's fair.
Cool. Alright. But then, did you see all of the shit that we got?
No.
Here, let me introduce you to all the presidents. Ledger.
What's
Parole
that on?
officer's not gonna be thrilled.
And then more presidents.
Yeah. We got lucky.
They're all
Catching
dead
him as he was
presidents.
leaving on 34.
We either got lucky or we could have had a way better stop if we got him before.
What'd you stop him for?
Well, he's leaving
Say.
a known dope house. She was going 10 miles an hour over the speed limit. Didn't signal. And
She then, honestly, when I said why I stopped you, she like uttered out. She's like, "Because I hit the curb." I was like, "I didn't even see that." But there's two other reasons, so there's three. But no, just the two that I noticed. Speed and turn signal.
So he said the dog hit on this side.
Okay.
I just told S8 to come out.
Mm-hmm.
I think we need to call narcotics
Yeah.
because of the money in the ledger.
The amount, yeah. And then, so is it just this bottle though of?
This is all that we found.
And those
did-
are pills pressed.
Yeah, and he did a
They're fetty.
he did a field test,
Okay.
and it came up orange, which orange on that thing is fetty.
Okay. Cool.
So he's probably gonna overdose. So just be careful. Hopefully, have Narcan
Yeah.
because he
Alright.
crushed it with his fucking hands.
Yeah.
He said his dog doesn't hit on weed or currency. It only
Okay.
hits on other narcotics.
Okay.
So that's what it hit on.
Cool.
Obviously, there was either narcotics in here previously or this.
Where was all this?
So this bag was in here.
Okay.
This bag under the seat. This was in here,
Okay.
like in the
okay.
glove compartment.
Nothing hidden behind.
Nothing hidden behind. We couldn't find any other hidden compartments. This little wad of cash was in her purse, and
Okay.
there's a couple. I think it's all ones probably.
All right. Let me go over here.
you know how they want us to put this in there? Just put it in there like it is?
I think so. I think from what I understand about the update to the policy is just like get it in there and get it sealed, and then you got that like
1,000,001
chain of custody.
There's all hundreds of points.
I'm just taking a quick look here.
I think Schaffner got lost.
Oh, for sure. I want to forward to.
Did you guys say? Also, quick question: where's Eureka and Westwood? It's neither here nor there. I just.
He's probably on 10 precinct. Yeah.
We can.
Back to the one that's free.
Yeah. No. Yeah. We can get that for sure.
Probably should have taken pictures of the shit in the car first.
Yeah. I mean, but.
Well, you know it's bad.
It is what it is. It's on the body cam. I mean.
192.
That might be
Give me a 194 stop, please.
all we can do in this one.
My Lanta. I've never seen this much money in my entire life.
Kenny and I got that 40 grand out of that car.
This looks like my freezer.
Pretty dope. This looks like my freezer.
Yeah, I don't trust the banks.
So,